Every year I see a strange looking small bird with a long tail flying around, only to realise it's just a scaly-breasted Munia carrying a long grass stem. These are very common birds that are comfortable nesting close to people. Watching them diligently building their quite large ball-shaped nests, I started wondering just how many grass stems do they actually need to make a nest. So I collected an old nest that I was sure wasn't being used and had a look. How many grass stems do you think are in this nest? 1, 2, 3. No, this is going to take all day. Let's speed it up. And the total is 578. Now, just in case they want to reuse it, I'd better put it back.